can get you off of my mind. Are you still thinking about me all the time?
Hello everyone, it's me again, Sarah, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will do an unboxing. This is a skincare product, and I am sitting here on the floor. It's because it's gloomy today, and there's no sufficient light here in the dining. So anyway, I uploaded a video. It was about a super recovery set. That was my welcome packet from Medicube, since I am one of their brand ambassador. And for this month, they sent me this one, and we will see what is inside the box. So Medicube is a Korean company. It's a Korean brand, but they are selling their products also here in the United States. So actually this package came from their warehouse in California. So I will show you what are the items inside this box. First, you can see this receipt. So these are the list of the items that I got, with an exclusive gift, a headband. So this is the one. This is the headband. A red color with Medicube logo and heart. 2 hearts left and right. Next is the very popular, the Zero Pore Pad 2.0. This takes care of our old skin cells, sebum, impurities, and smooth skin texture. It is a peeling toner pad that moisturizes and helps with pore tightening. So I was reading reviews and videos about this product, and all of them have the same feedback. Everything are positive, that they said this is super effective. That's why I'm so excited of this product. So once you open it, you can see there is a tweezer, and of course you will use this tweezer to take out this pad. Just one pad is enough. So if you are going to use this, you have to use the embossed part first, and then for the final is the fine one. And put it back and close. All right. Second item is this, the Zero Pore Cream. This is for tightening loose pores and balancing skin, oil, or moisture levels. So here inside is a spatula. Now let's open this one. All right, so that's the color of the cream. So basically you have to use this spatula to take some of the creams like that, you know, to avoid germs. So better to use this spatula. Okay, next is this one. This is Zero Pore Serum, a pore tension serum that helps tighten pores and refreshingly moisturizes. This is how many? 27 ml. So that's the size. There's a cover. I take it out and Next is this. Take this one. This is a Zero Foam Cleanser. This is a full size. This is 120 grams. So the use of this, description of this Zero Foam Cleanser is a rich, creamy foam cleanser that gently removes fine dust and dirt from the pores. Wow. Exciting. And the last but not the least is this pore brush. It's red and soft. Here the brush and the logo of Medicube. So these are the items that I got from Medicube. And if you are interested of the products, guys, you can use my code Sarah10 for a 10% discount. Link provided in my description box below. Please check it out.